Hello YouTube. Been a while since I put anything on my channel here, my little channel. But I want to show you what I got here. You've seen this 1,000 times. I have nothing new to offer except this one belongs to me, and it is a Glock 26. Okay, I'm going to safety check this so nobody have a heart attack. Safe direction. We're clear. For the record, what I use this gun for is a carry gun, and I use Spear Gold Dot 124 plus P 9mm. Why didn't I get a Glock 19 and why did I get a Glock 26? Well, because the Glock 26 will do anything that the Glock 19 will do and then some. Well, how's that? Well, this right here is the extended mag. It holds 12 and 1. It is a backup mag. This right here is the mag I carry. Notice nothing in here. Safe. That's concealed. The Glock 19 will not do that. Okay. You can conceal this. To me, this is the ultimate concealed carry gun. You got 10 plus 1. There you got 12 plus 1. It'll hold also the Glock 19 magazines, or even the Glock 17s, and yes, I have a fun stick. It'll even carry the drum. I want to show you some of the things that I've done to improve it. I don't know how good the camera's going to pick this up, but I like the color. The flat dark earth I think is just off the chain. I have painted the numbers in. I think it makes it look neat. Same here. I know the Glock sights get bad reviews. I shoot just fine with them. I have no problem. They shoot as good as anything. But since this is my carry gun, and sometimes I'll be carrying at night, I put me some some True Glow Pro Dots, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it or not. And no, this gun ain't gonna go off and kill me or you. I like these sights. You can pick that orange dot up very well. And at night when there is no light, they stay lit 24/7. You don't have to put them in any light at any time. They just glow all the time. They're metal sights. I've shot them with this on. I've adjusted to them, and I shoot rather well with them. I shoot just as good as I do with the 19 or the 17. However, the 17 I can reach out there a little bit longer because it's a little bit bigger. But anyhow, I'm not going to go into a bunch of stuff that you've already seen a bazillion times about this. I've just seen people say that Glock 19 was the end-all carry gun, and it is a very good gun. But I'll take this every day and never look back. Today is Saturday, the 15th of April, 2017. This is my little review of the Glock 24, or excuse me, Glock 26 Gen 4. You'll never go wrong with this little bad boy right here. Y'all have a good day. Stay safe. Carry and conceal. Protect your family. And as always, roll tide. Y'all have a good one.